The project name is Activated Charcoal Carbon Filter. In this, the top bottle represents the dirty water, the water which is found in the ponds, lakes, etc., which is polluted. Now the polluted water will pass through small pebbles, granite pebbles. These pebbles will collect the solid material, sediments, and after removing the sediments, the water is sent to this sand filter. The sand filter is the second stage. In the sand filter, it removes the colors and other fine particles from the water so that pure water is sent out of this. And the final stage is activated carbon filter. Actually, the carbon does not filter the water. The activated charcoal will have pores. These pores will fill up with the pollutant from the water, and finally it will send pure water to the ground, to the collection bottle. This also removes the bad odors from the water that is being filtered. Now you can observe the bottom water is pure, is clean. This way we can use a simple water filter for villages. It has got a capacity of about 1.25 liter. So this is how it works, and it can be used by villagers, travelers, and other people where potable water or safe drinking water is not available. It can be used during trips, vacations, and places where water is not available. Thank you.